So for number 14, it says in 2008, the average age of students at UTC was 22, a standard deviation of 3.96. We have another set of data for 2009. The mean, so the average 24, standard deviation 4.08. They want to know which one showed a more dispersed distribution. And just by looking at the answer choices, it looks like they're looking at the coefficient of variation. So the coefficient of variation formula is standard deviation divided by the mean. All right, so if we're going to do 2008, we would be taking the standard deviation of 3.96. And we want to divide that by the mean of 22 to get 0.18. You can do this on Excel and you'd get the same answer, or on a calculator. But I highly recommend using Excel because that's what you're going to use for the majority of this class. Now going to 2009, we're going to do the same process, except the numbers are different. So 4.08, that's our standard deviation, divided by the mean, which is 24, and that's going to give us 0.17. The higher the coefficient of variation, that means the more dispersed our distribution is. So that means 2008 would have a more dispersed distribution because it has a higher coefficient of variation. So that means our answer here would be year 2008 because it has a higher coefficient of variation.